Hey, good morning, folks. It's JT. Say, I added a couple of more things to my small game kit here. I did remove the lashing straps for now. I'm not going to need them right now, so I just took them off, hung them up. If I need them, I know where they are. Also, I may waterproof this canvas. I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking about it. But anyway, I added two more items to my kit, so I thought I'd show you. If you want to know what's in the whole kit, look at the previous video. But one of the things I ordered, one of the things that I put in this kit is 20 feet of 550 paracord. Just never know when you're going to need some cord, and comes in handy. Doesn't really take up much space. So I threw 20 feet of cord in there, and I also threw in some of this Propel energy drink stuff. You just mix it with water, and it has electrolytes in it. You know, if you're out walking around, you're hunting and you're sweating, and you might be losing electrolytes, and you need to just refurbish that while you're on the go. You can just dump some of this in your bottled water, and you might be good to go. Instead of just drinking plain water, drink something with electrolytes in it, and probably give you more energy and make you feel a little better. So anyway, that's the two things that I've added to my kit. They don't really weigh anything. This doesn't weigh, I don't know how many ounces it is, but it's very lightweight. And the other stuff doesn't weigh nothing either. But that's it. That's all the stuff that's in my kit. Like I said, if you want to know what else is in the kit, just look at the previous video. I just wanted to share with you the little bit that I did add today. Real rainy day here today, high winds. I think it finally stopped raining, I'm not sure. But it ain't a good day to be out in the woods squirrel hunting, that's for sure. So I've been listening to audiobooks on YouTube. I was gonna read today, but I don't know. My eyes just didn't really feel like focusing on reading today, so I've been listening to some audiobooks on Horace Kephart and Nesmik. Two old-time woodsmen giving their advice about what you should have and what you shouldn't have, and what works best and what doesn't. And I find their insight pretty fascinating. Anyway, folks, I hope you have a great day, and hope you have a great weekend too. Joanne has Monday off, so I have a long weekend. We may get out and do something, who knows. God bless, guys. Take care.